Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Alright guys, I know the weather is still cool and you're not ready for transplanting, but I want to show you when you can start transplanting your plant. Okay, as we see down in here, these are still young plants, but the thick and the very healthy. Alright, so basically, when you want to start transplanting your plant, let's come over this side, is when you realize your plants have 6 leaf. You see like this one, this have 6 leaf. This, you could transplant them. But the reason why I'm not transplanting these as yet, I'm just growing them without light and I'm growing them by the window. So at the end of the day, I still believe they need a little more strengthening. So I'm talking about these kind, not them down there. These big ones with the 6 leaf, this is when you can start transplanting them. Which this one is definitely ready, but I'm just allowing it to catch more strength before I take it out the cold weather. So before you transplant, you should make sure your plant have at least 6 leaf, 2 to the bottom and 4 up to the top before you think about transplanting your plant. All right, 6 leaf. All right, thank you.